if it's a snapping turtle, Malcolm, you got to be really careful because sometimes when you break the cookies apart and you drop in the water, snapping turtles will come up. You know what a snapping turtle is? Yes! And you have to be careful because one time I was leaning over the boat petting a snapper and it bit my finger off. I know.
Hey, guess what we're going to do?
We are going on a duck boat.
We're going on a duck boat.
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
We got 2 free tickets.
2 free tickets and had to get Miles' ticket. It was $30.
Totally worth it. It'd be worth it for us to go.
Yeah. So
For us to pay.
So you can book your tickets online or inside the Southern Belle Riverboat gift shop. You have to go into the riverboat to check in, and they'll actually give you a complimentary moon pie.
we see them all the time going through town, and Miles says he wants to do the blue one.
I want the captain to go slow.
Okay.
I'm going to tell the captain to go very slow.
It's gonna be fun.
Gonna be fun. Oh, that was a step.
Why do they not have seatbelts?
Just pretend like I have one of these on. If I was in the water, if you just sit down in the water, you'll float like this and your head won't go underwater.
And don't fight it. Just float.
You just sit there.
float.
And if you wanted to use the bathroom, you could. You had something to eat, you could eat it.
Drink, whatever.
What's really fun, Malcolm, is if we're in the water with life jackets on, you're just sitting there and you brought like a cookie or something, you take your cookie and crumble it up and just kind of drop it, and fish will come up right by your head and they'll eat that cookie. And you can pet the fish. But now, if it's a snapping turtle, Malcolm, you got to be really careful because sometimes when you break the cookies apart and you drop in the water, snapping turtles will come up. You know what a snapping turtle is? Yes! And you have to be careful because one time I was leaning over the boat petting a snapper and it bit my finger off. I know.
Look at his hand, baby. Look at his hand. Oh, take it back. Take it back.
Now, Malcolm, you want to leave this on? You want me to take it off? Okay, I'll take it off. So that's how you put it on. It's really easy, isn't it? There you go.
Good question, baby.
Good job. Good job.
Yay!
Okay, let me roll the ladder up.
It absolutely poured the driving part the whole time we got soaked from the rain.
Contract to make that vehicle for the Army. Willys and Ford, because they were competitors, they would never agree on a name, and the Army named it a general purpose vehicle. That Ford 300 is because when it breaks down, we can still drive to O'Reilly's and buy parts for it. Here, all this stuff's original. Once we get in the river, I'll tell you what all this stuff does.
We learned about the history of Chattanooga.
Because of the railroad, this was the Grand Central Station of the South. 1992, they opened up the Tennessee Aquarium. They opened up the aquarium. It was a magnet that brought you and everybody else.
There's Malcolm with his lollipop that he earned for being brave.
Here's how this part works. I'm going to give you 2 choices on how we go down the boat ramp, okay? And whatever the majority of the boat wants to do, that's what we'll do. Majority will. Y'all want to go fast or slow?
Slow.
Malcolm, you're second in charge. Malcolm, what do you want to do?
Slow.
Okay, when we hit the water, we might be doing 8 miles an hour. You are more wet right now than you're about to get splashed. Malcolm, it floats!
It floats!
Did you get splashed, Malcolm?
No, not at all.
Did you want to get splashed?
No.
No.
And then we got in the water and it stopped raining.
We're on a boat. It floats. We're on a boat. With wheels in the water.
With wheels in the water.
I've turned all the truck stuff off. I've turned all the boat stuff on. It's very disturbing. Fix your bridge or get your bridge out of the water. Did you get lost? Then you did not see the big houses. You saw nice houses, but not the big ones. Since the early 1900s, Lookout Mountain, Tennessee, 2 miles, has been the...
What did you do on the duck boat?
Sit on your knees really tall. Sit on your knees really tall so you see where you're going. Okay, you ready? You want to go fast or slow? Slow. And do you want to honk the boat horn or the truck horn?
Say both.
Both? Okay. You want to honk the boat horn first or second?
I don't know.
Okay. Push that button right there. That's the boat horn. Hey, that's what your daddy used to sound like. That's what he sounded, your daddy, a long time ago. And then he met your mama. McClellan Island. He's good. This is McClellan Island. Let's pretend that we're 17 years old, okay? I'm 17, you're 17, you're 17 years old. And it's Friday night, high school football. After the ball game, every one of us had that place that we would go hang out with our friends, or our dates, where we did things.
Dixon Rockford.
In the 1800s, McClellan Island. This was party central in the 1800s. Malcolm's mom brought this little baggie of what she said was oregano. People had a big time partying over here until the late 1890s. Now today that big house is a bed and breakfast. It's called the Bluff View Inn. Me and my wife's opinion, that is the most romantic place to spend the weekend in Chattanooga. There's only 6 bedrooms. They treat you like royalty. It's expensive, but it's a great bed and breakfast. You're fine. You're good, Malcolm. Yeah, you're doing great. The Dates, they hated living there. Couldn't stand living there for one reason. All the parties. That neighborhood behind us became the wealthiest neighborhood in Chattanooga. That's called Battery Place. And all of us over there with Bud, drinking moonshine, banjos all night, skinny dipping in broad daylight, embarrassed her in front of her church street. Have you ever been skinny dipping? No, that's fine. Do you know what skinny dipping is? What? You go swimming naked, and you do it during your skinny dipping prime. If you have never been skinny dipping before, raise your hand. Almost your entire family's been swimming naked somewhere. It embarrassed Mrs. McClellan in front of her church friends, and she nagged her husband, "Can you please do something about all these rednecks in the backyard?" And he did what rich people do. He bought it. He bought an 18-acre island. The flood of 1903 washed some cows off the island, messed up some farm equipment. He gets mad because of the floods and gives up, lets the trees grow back on it. 1956, the McClellan Foundation gave the island to the Chattanooga Audubon Society. Good job, Captain Malcolm. You did so much better than Zoe. You did so much better than Zoe.
Say you were scared.
You wanted this? You ready, Weston? This way, Weston. This way, Weston. Stop. Okay, get ready, dude. Now, do you know what peer pressure is? Do you know what peer pressure is? Peer pressure is when you go back home and there's some friends of yours that say, hey Weston, tomorrow we're going to take our bicycles and we're going to ride down to the bridge and we're all going to jump off the bridge. You should do it. We saw some high school kids do it the other day and they looked like it was so fun. We should do that. Should you do that? Why? It's dangerous. Though that's called peer pressure. So don't you ever do something that you know you shouldn't do, okay? Hey Weston, would you like to drive all the way to the top of the boat ramp? Okay. See the line in the middle? That's what you're going to follow, okay? Off the line, dude. Okay. Do you know where the brake pedal is? Yeah. Don't push it yet. Stay in the middle. You don't run over that lady. When we get up here, when I say stop, you have to press the brake.
So Mal,
Well,
what did we just do?
Duck boat.
what did you do on the duck boat? What did you do to the duck boat? Oh, he's a little excited.
Very wet.
Oh, I'm soaked.
Oh my goodness. It poured the first part of the trip.
Dived.
Yes, it was amazing.
Yeah, it was a great time.
I highly recommend that. I learned so much.
Yeah.
Learned about the floods. I want to do the free ghost tour at the Reed House. I want to check out the pickle bar. Oh, and we should mention we got 2 complimentary tickets.
Yes.
And we paid for Malcolm's.
But it totally wouldn't have been worth it to pay. Like,
It was worth it to
I
pay.
think we'll
Like
do it
even,
again.
yeah, absolutely. Bring people on who are visiting and take them on the duck boat.
yeah, that's a good time.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Let's go
Words.
possibly get wet.
Wink.
Hit subscribe if you want to watch the next video. Bye.